Welcome. This tutorial will walk you through how to easily access your loan conversations and communicate with your underwriter on the Haventree Bank Portal. Communicating with your underwriter about a loan is easier than ever with the Broker Portal loan conversations. When you receive an email indicating your underwriter has left a message, you can directly respond like you would a regular email or respond within the portal. If you're responding by email, please don't share any private information. To respond to the underwriter's message within the portal, you can log in by clicking the link in the email or by visiting haventreebank.com/brokerportal. Once you log into the broker portal, you'll receive a bell notification on the top right. Click on the bell and it will take you straight to the loan. You can also find a list of your client loans under My Loans. Once you're in the loan, locate the loan menu bar and click Loan Conversations. Begin writing your message in the area that reads Type your message here. When you're done writing, click the green Send Message button. To respond to a comment already posted, start writing in the area below where it says Write a comment. When you're done writing your message, click the green Comment button. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please contact our portal support team at brokersupport@haventreebank.com. We're here to help.